Hello, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a rolled candle. You can buy the wax sheets from Thorne's in a candle making kit, or you can buy the 16 by 8 candle sheets and cut them down to size. I'm going to be making a 4-inch candle, but you can also make an 8-inch candle. So you're going to need some wick. I'm using a 3/4 inch wick, which you can also buy from Thorne's. You take your wick and place on the edge of the candle sheet, gently pressing in with your finger. And then fold over the end of the candle sheet over the top of the wick, pushing down with your finger again. You want to push it down quite tight so it keeps the wick in place once the candle is rolled. So turn the candle around and using your fingers, bring towards you, rolling, trying to keep it in as straight a line as possible. You want to roll it to the end, and if the wax is a bit cold, you can just warm the end a little bit just to help to keep it together. You need your scissors just to trim the wick at the end and to trim the wick at the top as well. And that's how you make a rolled candle.